food web activity, students will research an area of the world that has been assigned to them, like Sharonville, Ohio, for example. They will research the biotic and abiotic factors that make up the ecosystem, such as plants and animals native to that region, climate, and landscape. Using this information, they will make a food web that contains at least 4 plants and 10 animals the group identified during its research. Next, the students will introduce an invasive species into their ecosystem and describe how this event would alter the ecosystem by answering a series of questions. Some examples of things they will consider during this analysis are: what living things would be directly and indirectly affected, how the abiotic resources in the ecosystem may be affected, and is the ecosystem affected positively or negatively. For this challenge, students will work as teams that have been hired to educate the public on a species that is not native to their area and is wreaking havoc on their community. Each team will research the ecosystem and economy of a specific area of the world, analyze how the introduction of an invasive species would change that area, and create a public service announcement informing residents of these changes and what they can do to help stop the spread of the species.
Today we'll be talking about the cane toad. The cane toad originates from Australia and South America. The species has been detected in Hawaii and tropical parts of Australia.
The cane toad spreads poison which may harm animals and has habitat preferences and may steal from other animals.
The cane toad is spread by fast reproduction.
Symptoms of a cane toad poisoning is cancer, bright red lips and gums, profuse salivation, deforestation, and temporary blindness.
The U.S. Department of Agriculture's Animal and Plant Health Inspection Service has been trying for quite some time to test possible situations, but since the plants themselves have no natural defense against the invasive species, it makes things a whole lot harder. So as of right now, the only effective measure is to remove and destroy the infested trees by burning or chipping them. The plan to try and keep them away from quarantine infested areas and treat healthy trees with a pest control solution.